Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. Okay, my name is Dave, my partner is Ron. Guys, today's a special day. It's live NFP. All right, it's February the 4th, 2022. Okay, so it's going to be a pretty interesting day. All right, judging by the pre-bank forecast that we posted in our group. And guys, the NFP and unemployment claims is at 8:30. Okay, so we got about 1 hour. All right. So what I'm planning on doing is charting GU, oil, and gold, or maybe we'll drop oil, and maybe we'll do an indice. I'm thinking maybe just GU and the two indices. You guys got to let me know what you're thinking. Okay. But no matter what, I'm going to do GU. So you guys let me know if you want to just do indices or if you want to do like more of a commodity and oil based. Okay. I know Damien's what he's saying. Okay, guys, and just make sure to check the description box. Okay, it's not a buy or sell signal service that we're on right now. We're providing free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? A lot of people on here, like, I think we have a group now where a lot of people are understanding about folders, understanding news. What are your guys' thoughts on NFP, unemployment claims? What are your guys' thoughts? All right, guys. So you can see the type of candles that we have right now on GU on the daily. Guys, right here, these are spinning top candles, okay? Spinning top candlesticks. This is almost a harami, okay, which is indecision, but it hasn't closed just yet. So, but you can see what we have. Indecision on the daily. All right. Guys, if you can't hear me, just turn up your mics. All right. A lot of other people can hear me. There we go. I'm gonna go yellow. Guys, I'm on Gbp Usd. All right, GU. I always tend to do a pair, and then we're gonna do. I'm thinking Nasdaq and oil. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Give me some feedback. Nasdaq and oil. The Parsi, DAP or Risi. Sorry, brother, if I mispronounced that. NFP will correct the market range. I'm on a very same wavelength as you, my friend. Very same wavelength. So let's see what'll happen. Okay. Damien, buddy, can you ask it in the group? Like, I want to answer your technical question. I saw it, but then when we started the live. Okay, so if you don't mind asking in the group or sending us an email, I think that would be a good way to get it done too. Okay. Unless you can ask it and put it in the chat again, because we asked a few questions, buddy, and everything just got lost in translation. So if you're willing to retype that and just post it again, I can definitely answer for you to the best of my abilities. To the best of my abilities. Okay, guys. So we're gonna do Nasdaq. All right. We're gonna do oil. And we're gonna do GU. All right. I'm leaving gold alone today. Even though gold will have its massive moves, we'll let it do its thing. Okay. That's for the members, guys. That's for you. You guys get what you want. You guys are like my bosses. Okay, guys. So you can see right now in the hourly. Okay, this is what we have forming. This area right here, we're going to watch and see. All right. But I definitely like what I'm kind of seeing on Gbp Usd. All right, so let's drop it now down after this to the 30-minute. And then we're working here. Everything looks pretty good, to be honest with you. 15. Okay, so I'm going to move this over here. I'd like to close this candle a little bit better. We're going to leave that for a second. Put it at the bottom wick. We're going to drop down to the 10. There we go, right there. Nice. Beautiful, guys. So I am going to move this to baby blue since it's smaller time frame. Guys, is everyone having a good week so far? I need more experience before taking on gold. Yep, gold is just a beast in itself, guys, for real. I've traded gold. If you watch my original lives, that's all we traded. Okay, that's all we traded was gold. Okay, but now found a little bit more smoother moving pairs, okay, commodities, indices, and you got to take advantage of that based on your trading style. All right. No, guys, nothing was sent yet. We're just waiting. Okay, we're just waiting here. Guys, so 1 second. There we go. Here's a random question today. What's everyone drinking for their beverage of choice, guys? Are you guys a coffee drinker in the morning? Are you guys energy drinks, Red Bulls? Beer, vodka? My God, you guys are weed, green tea? My God, I love my team. You guys have no idea. Straight up. Pop, tea. Oh, Tyler's on some PCP. These candles are going to speak to you, my man. Like, straight up speak to you, dude. Okay? So, guys, I'm trying to have some fun today. It is Friday. Remember that. All right. NFP, trying to smooth the mood just before, we get into the nitty gritty. All right. So I see an uptrend here for me. You can see it's bouncing here, bouncing. We finally broke. Okay. We have a key area right here where you can see there's a lot of buyers. Okay, roughly in around this area right here on GU. All right, you can see they pushed, held, so good amount of support. Then it walked. Okay, sellers were resistance at 35804. Okay, that's when you got your nice little scalp pullback sell-off. But we're going to see now if price is going to rise, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to start to walk back up, breaking this high and this high over here. All right, for the continuation, or are we going to bounce? Okay, come up to this area right here, and then start to continue the overall sell pressure. All right, this is all going to be based on news. All right, so yeah, this is GU on the 5-minute, guys. Say I'm just going to wait here for now, and I'm going to go over and get the other charts done. Just going to make that rouge for all my French Canadians out there, all my people in France. I know a little bit of French. It's not the best, but we're good to go. Okay. Oil drops. Okay, we're going to go to oil right now, guys. Oof, oof, oof. Beautiful M pattern on oil. Guys, I don't know if you really see what happened to oil, but this thing is it's been rocketing. Like, we're not even joking. Like, look at this. This is on the 4-hour. Okay, the price of oil is booming right now. Okay, so head over to the daily, guys. I had an interesting question. Okay, yesterday, because we kind of sent out like yesterday we were trading oil, and everyone had question: are we at the high of oil? And I said no, because back in 2014, you can see the price of oil started to dip, guys. This is on the daily. Okay, this is oil on the daily. You can see we made a low of 37 cents. Guys, do you understand if last April 23rd last year, 2 years ago, sorry, you can now see that it has risen to $92 a barrel. So if you guys load it up on oil barrels down here, all right, you can see that now you're starting to get, you would have a massive return. Okay, and it's good to circle out and look at things on the daily, okay, because you need to get your next areas for support and resistance, kind of like supply. And we have some nice little double top right over here. Okay, so you guys got to understand, this is a beast right now. Okay, look at how far we are. Just want to make that in. There we go. Perfect, guys. Right around here. Okay, this is where to the left we had a previous double top, okay, for the initial sell-off, and this is like that's still a far distance, guys. We're talking about like 94 cents a barrel, all right? But it's always good to get your higher time frame supply zone, all right? Guys, keep an eye on GU. I didn't really set any targets yet. It's still too early to be doing anything like that. It's NFP, guys. If you guys are not familiar with NFP, all right, we have a very serious problem. Okay. And the problem is that it's one of the most volatile folders, and it's the first Friday of every month. All right, first Friday of every month. Okay, so 93. Yep, we'll go over in 2 seconds, guys. 1 second. This mic is killing me right now. There we go. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see that we have 2014 supply. Okay, then we have some nice resistance here based on just the psychological 93. Okay, so we can watch and see what's going to happen based on oil right now. Okay, so we have some support, we have some resistance on the same candle, which is that little short-term quick sell. I am going to gather the body of this ignited candle here. Okay, you can see the reason why I am. Look at that previous wick, it was acting as resistance. Okay, so the base, which is the open of this candle, and then you have your continuation. So from the daily now, guys, I'm going to drop it to the 4 hour. Okay. We have one more down here. Okay, 1 sec, guys. There we go. Then we're going to drop down to the hourly. Okay, a bit better here. Just make some quick updates. Okay, we're going to drop now down to 30-minute. Okay, guys, so you can see how this is starting the structure here. Support, pushing, resistance here, support, pushing, support, and continuation. So you guys can see higher high, higher low. Okay, we made a higher high here. The wick made a little bit of a lower low. All right, price stayed. This wick started to rise, which is then that's when you're getting your bullish push. So we're still making a higher high here. Okay, so it's pretty. Price of oil is overextended. All right, on the 30 minutes. So we just have to watch now and see based on price action if we're going to get a short-term retracement or if oil is just going to continue to rocket through. Okay, so 1 second here. 92.6. Okay, so on the 30-minute, 6.865. Okay. All right, guys, and then head to the 15. So this is what we're trading in, guys, right now. Higher time frame resistance, but we're right here. All right. So guys, it's around 7:45. Okay, I know we all want to look at getting into trades, but remember, I'm about to show you something right after this. Okay, that we are in major news day. Okay, so boom, 5-minute setup. All right, you can see we have a nice little flat top right here. Sorry, flat bottom. Support finding. Price is selling off, trying to rise. We're going to see on this overall 15-minute downtrend if price is going to stick. Okay, if price is going to stick. So we'll watch and see what's going to happen. Okay, 5 minutes on oil. So just keep in mind, we'll write some quick little text here, guys. Pretty straightforward, guys. Oil is bullish on the daily. All right, 8:30 news. Just be careful. Okay. And then do not over leverage, guys, especially on NFP. Okay, Vanessa, just relax. All right. So we're gonna watch and see. Go check out GU, guys. And then gonna switch over and do Nasdaq. All right. Switch over and do NAS. There's Nasdaq looking like it's getting a little bit of a bullish push. Okay, not too bad. We're coming to a clear area of consolidation. All right, you can see price made a dip, consolidated for a few bit, and then sold off. All right. Let's check out GU here. Okay, you can see that they're starting to break through. Nice little continued sell. They broke through the overall 5-minute uptrend, guys. That's where you're getting your nice little sell-off here. So slowly but surely it's starting to find another area of support. Okay, you can see that it bounced here, but now we're coming to, if I move this down just to show you, okay, you can see that price was acting as resistance here, pushed up, retraced, and then it started to walk, finally broke through, held some support here, and then you walked up again. Okay, so they broke through initial, second buying opportunities, okay, and now they're finding nice support at the original resistance and the buying opportunities which started down here. Okay, so we'll watch and see what happens on GU. All right, and then we'll go over and do Nasdaq. Just tighten this up here. See that Nasdaq right there. Okay, so let's go daily. All right, guys. So Nasdaq yesterday we set a nice little trade idea here. It's on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, slowly started to sink. Sorry, this was US 30. Very similar structure, though. You can see how it's selling off and then it bounced. Okay, we're currently at selling off, then it bounced. That area that I showed you was on the 15-minute time frame. This is on the daily. Okay, so a lot different, but very similar structure. Okay, daily. Have daily here. Okay. Time frame, you can see daily retracement in terms of the continuation. Okay, this could have been your pullback. Now you might have the continuation, or this is going to be the bottom, and then they're going to find another bottom here, and then push it up against supply. All right. So you can see the daily trend that is forming also. Okay. Let's drop now down to the 4-hour. This is Nasdaq, guys. Okay, a lot of earnings came out recently. A lot of earnings came out. So now we're going to see, based on Forex Factory News, which we'll go over in a second, how this index is going to react. Okay, so I see a clear resistance. Okay, and right here. Okay, so I was showing you here this one, and you can see it's sellers. Okay, sellers in this area. So they pushed it, tried to break. Buyers are trying to, but then they continue to sell, which we have our 4-hour downtrend. Okay. G broke down. Okay, doesn't surprise me. It was in a nice little steady sell. Okay, so we'll switch this to yellow. shoulder here, head, possible shoulder. Exactly, Jonathan. Okay, then we have our support that we need to get down here. And then our next key area will break down on the hourly. All right. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Our next key area would be roughly right there. Okay. All right. And then I need to get down, breaking down this bearish candlestick for any kind of resistance up here. Okay, we can get the top, but we definitely want to make sure that we're, see, resistance, continued sell. All right, so we need to get down in this area right here. Most likely it's going to be somewhere around here. Okay, but we do have that long bottom wick, so we'll want to see what this is going to look like on the 30-minute. Good. You see how we're testing that on the 5-minute. Remember, we had that nice bullish break. Okay, this was that area of resistance to the left that I told you about. We're now right there. Okay, so let's drop to the 15. This is what I'm telling you right here. Okay. Key area of resistance. Nice 15-minute uptrend here. Let's see how far this is going to go. There we go. And then 5 minutes. All right. Let's watch and see what price is going to do based on where we get here in about 35 seconds, guys. That'll be the 755. All right. So this is on Nasdaq. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen here. All right, 17 seconds. Okay. All right, guys, this is the 755, 5-minute before the new hourly candle. Okay, we just did some top down on a few pairs. All right, we just did Nasdaq. Okay, we've done GU. Okay, so you can see that GU got some resistance here and started to now retest the overall resistance over here. Okay, but could be acting as now buyers down here in this area right here. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to play out. Nice little downtrend. Okay, see how we crossed 50 line right at the 5-minute break. Okay, that's why we started to get that downward trending movement here. If we add on our 9 moving average, I bet you we broke it around there. Yep. So you can see a couple confirmations, guys. A couple confirmations. Bearish break through the 9. Okay, it starts right here. We have the break of the 5-minute uptrend. All right. Then you have the break of the 50 point on RSI. So that's a nice. There's 3 confirmations right there that GU, if you entered in anywhere around here, okay, we weren't trading then. We just got on the call, so it wasn't happening. But anywhere around here, okay, if you guys were in up here based on the support, a trade could have looked like this. All right, if we had got it set up enough in time. So in terms of scalping, you can see the price is starting to bounce. Okay, acting as support here. As soon as it broke the 9, crossed, breaking the 5-minute uptrend here, and then you have your RSI breaking down. That's when you could have looked to take a little bit of a GU short. All right. So, but we didn't happen. I'm just kind of showing you guys a nice little opportunity that you could have taken. I know there's a few guys that actually got in sells from up here. Okay, they got in from sells from up here, and hopefully they're still riding it down. Is anyone personally still in did anyone take GU? Did anyone get into a GU sell? You guys don't mind me asking? Could be on YouTube, could be on whatever it may be. Okay, no one missed it. That's okay. You guys, I know we weren't really looking for anything up here yet, but I'm just asking people if they were trading on their own. Okay, so we're following this pathway right here, guys. Okay, you can see it slowly starting to break, coming into this consolidation area. All right, so that's on GU. Let's check out oil here. You can see what's happening with oil. All right, so remember, we're bullish on the daily. 5-minute trend could be retracing. We're heavily overbought, guys. Like, we're very overextended on oil. So if this thing does tank, we're looking at a continuation down here. Okay, first hold up, might get a little bounce, and then we might get our continued bearish downtrend here. Okay, that's if oil starts to sell. Okay, I'm indecision on oil right now. The reason why, it's bullish on the daily, guys. Oil is very bullish on the daily. You can see the last few days we're back at 2014, right up here. Okay, if you weren't with us doing some charting, let me go on the 15-minute. Okay, it says it up here, it's 2014 lows, but obviously I did it on the higher time frame, so you can't really see it. But that red supply is based on 2014, so we're going back some time, guys. So we're going back some time. All right. Okay, so then we just did Nasdaq. Let's see how Nasdaq is moving. Okay, so remember, you can see uptrend here, and we talked about this as the resistance. Okay, previously acted as support, then finally broke down. Now we're starting to rise. All right, so let's take a quick look at gold. Okay, this is what we have on gold right now. Not going to trade too much gold, but gold is looking pretty. You can see I have a nice little downtrend forming on gold. There's actually a flat top here. Just going to analyze this quickly for people asking about gold. This is on the 5-minute. All right, not going to do too much on gold, but this is what she's looking like on the 5. Whoop. Let me erase that again. Okay. So members, from the trade idea sent this morning, okay, you should be running in profit right now. Okay, but the key areas, guys, we're going to look for a breakdown, obviously right here. Okay, breaking a structure. And then if gold starts to rise, say it bounces from here and holds, going to be a continuation. Maybe look out for the bullish push. So it's all going to be coming down to pretty much this area right here. Okay, the bottom of the flat top. I put it as consolidation or neutral zone. All right, whichever you may please calling it, doesn't matter to me, but these are the options that we have right here. Okay, so that's if it breaks bullish. Put down these areas right here. I'm not going to focus too much on gold today, guys. I'm just doing it because there is actually quite a few people wanting to know about gold. All right, even in our group. So this is what we're looking like right down here. Okay, and then if we want to rise even further, it's 8:01, guys. So new hourly candle has opened. Okay, we have 8:30 NFP news. Okay, we'll go over that in 2 seconds. All right. Okay, so this is gold here, guys. Like I said, this is going to be the key area right here. If price starts to hold this uptrend, we're we're going to watch in terms of 1812, okay, 1814, 1809, 1808, anywhere in this area right here. You can see it's pushing, but it's holding that support. Okay, prices moved up a little higher around 1810, 1811. Okay, now it's starting to get a little push. Let's see the moving average. You can just sideways trading, guys. Just sideways trading. Elaine, I'm looking at that too, just noticing it. We'll watch and see if this is actually going to pull through. Okay, but guys, there's GU. Okay, GU followed through on breaking the path, leading into the bearish direction. Okay, so you can see it followed this. So if you're looking at the green, if you're looking at a green area right here, this was your sells. Okay, this was your sells down in here, which followed this path. Any kind of buying opportunities, guys, like it's got to be, it was above here. You see how I told you about the 3 confirmation break? That's what led to the sell. Okay, so if you didn't get into any of this like that, it's okay. Just showing you guys the opportunity that could have unfolded itself here. That moved there to there. You're looking at about 10 pips. Okay, that's about 10 pips, guys. 10 pips. All right. So let's watch and see. I want to switch over to quickly Captain Herbalist. No, not just breakouts. You can see here that there is, just 1 second, guys. I got a good question on from someone here. All right. You can trade zone to zone. Alright, but I'm just looking for the breakouts in here. So if guys, price comes here, starts to rise, rejected here, boom. And you could set these zones up as soon as you started to see the resistance here and then the support formation here. So you could have set up these zones on the 5-minute and scalped in and out of here. Okay, it's kind of like I think it's almost 20, yep, about a 30 pip box, okay, anywhere in here. So this is your zone. Okay, so you can trade absolutely in between here, but what I'm doing right now is because it's 8:30, almost 8. Sorry, it's 8:05, coming into 8:30. We're just looking for the breakdown, see what area we're going to get to with structure, and then we're going to see if we're going to make any kind of bigger moves breaking down in terms of higher time frame. As you can see, right now we're in a range. Okay, it's sideways trading, but you can scalp in and out of it. We need to get into an overall start to fall for the breakdown or the continuation breakup based on news. Okay. So we can leave these there if you want. Okay, just tighten it up a little bit, and then we'll go ahead over and show you guys news. That was a question that someone asked about on YouTube, if you just trade breakouts. But no, you can trade zone to zone. Okay. So guys, this is 8:30. All right, it's currently 8:05. All right, you can see 8:05 right here. All right. NFP, biggest folder that I've traded. Okay, why traders care. Job creations is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for majority overall economic activity. Non-farm payroll, NFP, employment change. Okay, so this is, all eyes are on this folder, guys. All eyes are on this folder. All right, then you have unemployment claims here, which is another very, very big folder right now, guys, because there's not a lot of people wanting to work. Okay, the news, people are saying they're willing to lose their jobs to stay at home. You know what I mean? So although it's generally viewed as a lagging indicator, the number of unemployment people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. Unemployment is also a major consideration for those steering the country's monetary policy. All right. So if that doesn't make sense to you guys, just maybe look up some of those key terms. We don't have time to do it obviously right now. We're only live for a little bit, but just make sure you understand that this folder is high impact news, red folder. Okay, red folder. So guys, it's 8:06. Okay, I gotta quickly let the dog out. I'll be 2 seconds, literally. I'll be right back. Definitely not gonna miss this, guys. So I will not be that long. All right. So 1 second. Okay guys, so you can see that GU is still holding some support right here. Okay, right at it's at the low, almost near the low, 355.0504 area. Okay, so you can still see it slowly dipping down. All right, how would you read an NFP? So if the unemployment rate is higher, example USD buy. 1 second. The best thing is to just, let's check with the DXY, guys. Let's check with the DXY. So if GU is correlated with the DXY as of right now, the DXY should be slowly moving up. Okay, and you can see we have a nice head and shoulder pattern on inverse head and shoulder, my apologies, on the DXY. Shoulder area, head, shoulder, nice reversal pattern here. Okay, so let's watch and see. Let's go check out NFP, the last previous numbers. Okay, let's average spending, sorry. Where are you at there? There we go. Okay, so they've been negative 2 times. Okay, January 7th was negative, December 3rd was negative, and you had 2 negative. Bearish folder as of unemployment rate has all been positive. Okay, so 4 positive releases. So let's see if we're going to get a 5th or if it's going to be bearish. Okay, so you can see now the DXY slowly coming to that area of resistance. Let's check out GU. So you can see holding a little bit of indecision candle right here. There's not much volume. All right, so guys, when we come to around 8:20, we'll make a decision of what we're going to trade. All right, until then we're going to watch and see based on price action. So I can kind of see a pattern forming here. A couple things. There's can be a shoulder, head, shoulder. That's why I had that nice little break. They could retest it back down in this area until we get a nice little push, or because Nasdaq, all right, has been bullish as of late, except for yesterday, which was a nice little trend. All right, we might be able to see a little bit of hold in terms of support, and then a nice little push to the upside. All right, so let's watch and see how price is actually going to make a move for Nasdaq, and then we'll move on and just check oil here. Okay, so check out oil. Remember, I'm telling you guys, oil's bullish on the daily. So this is a key area right in here where they're holding nice support. Remember I told you flat top. All right, very similar to how gold looks. Okay, very similar to how gold, I think gold rose. Yeah. Okay, so you see how gold broke up. Nice W pattern here. All right, resistance neckline, nice little push, and now you have your next area of resistance right up here. Okay, this is gold. Remember I was telling you about the flat top. All right, gold actually made a higher high, sorry, a higher low, and then held here in terms of support, and that's when you get your nice little push. Okay, so gold now maybe make some indecision here, or we're going to get a retracement pullback right down, touch 1812, leading for the overall support formation here. Okay, and then we'll check out, what was the last one here? Nasdaq. One last time. I just wanted to see that wherever Nasdaq is following this 9MA, okay, it's also following the uptrend here. All right, so I'm seeing that if price is going to hold resistance, remember on the other chart how we were doing, you asked about supply and demand. All right, short-term supply area, and then we might be able to form a secondary demand. Okay, if price starts to shoot back down, but it's very bullish as of right now. Okay, bounced out of a higher time frame demand. So we're going to watch and see. This area right here has acted as a supply, which means there's sellers. Okay, sellers are just sitting there, having their pending orders, waiting for the over breakout moves. Okay. Okay, we'll go back to GU. Okay, so GU broke through the overall low. Okay, so you can see it was holding nice support here, even to the left. So it started to pierce through it now, and it started to make a nice lower low based on this 5-minute trend. Okay, but we're going to see now if price is going to hold here or if they're going to walk it back down to the next key area, which is right over here. Okay, so guys, if you can see that if we break here, price is just coming back into an overall demand area. All right, that's GU on the 5-minute. Okay. Guys, if you want to know the flat top bottom, go to your left right here. Okay, flat top is right here. All right, and all you do is you draw a downtrend. All right, and then you max it with the overall support, and then you can move it based on that. All right. Okay, about 10 seconds left. Let's watch and see what's going to happen with GU. Okay, tapped support, opened up bearish. We're going to see now it's going to flip and tap this overall moving average. You can hear my heartbeat. I think it's probably my fan right here, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's a heartbeat. I don't know if you can hear a heartbeat through the mouth. Okay, GU. See, the gold is selling off. Okay, pushed, and then it pushed. Okay, pushed, pulled. All right, now we're going to see this overall moving average. Gold is very erratic, guys. Like I said, I personally wouldn't recommend grabbing anything until letting that news settle. So today's, like I said, Friday. It's a very important day. If you guys are entering in anything before or holding, you guys are definitely risking a lot in your account. Okay, guys, about 600 people on here, about 111 likes. Okay. Go check out our oil. Here we go. Nice consolidation right here. Okay. Pushing, pulling, pure consolidation on oil. So guys, let me ask you a question. Did everyone have a good trading week? I know it's only 8:16, guys, so in about 5 minutes I'm going to update a few of these charts looking for the opportunities. Yeah, we're going to do the giveaway, guys. It's not going to be live. Okay, this was a trade idea that we sent yesterday. Okay, but I'm going to show you the site. This was US 30. It dumped. It continued to dump, guys. 35432. All right. But what I wanted to show you is uno momento, por favor. Okay. Guys, okay, so we have a 25K giveaway right here. Obviously can't log in, but we're giving away a free 3-month and a free one-on-one. All right. If you guys want to enter, just like, comment, share, and you guys are entered. We're going to be doing this later tonight at around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll announce it on our social media, and we'll put it in all the groups. Okay. So check that out, stocksnumbertrading.com, or just go to Stocks Number Trading on our Instagram page. All right. Give me SF blog. Give me. You got to enter in, dude. Enter in. Anita, don't worry. It takes a few days to clear your head. Spend some time with your family. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, guys. You got to have stop losses. Definitely huge issue if you're not having a stop loss. Okay. So check out GU, guys. There's no pathway. She followed down here and she's starting to break now. All right. So remember we talked about this continuation trend. This was a key area that had to break. She just started to do that. It's now pushing to the new low. A new area that price for GU can start to get to higher time is right around here. Okay, so it just broke the area roughly here, which followed our first pathway. Now we're looking at getting a little bit more bearish. All right, so if you guys wondered, and if you guys are in GU, all right, anywhere around here, you can see that this was the trade that it looked like you could have put your stop loss at a high here at the previous bearish candlestick. Give yourself a 10 pip stop loss, 1 to 1, which can lead into potentially a 1 to 3. Okay, so if you're in on this trade anywhere around here, guys, make sure you just move your stop loss to break even. Okay, which is put it at the same entry point as you're at, okay, or your entry, and basically let it ride. Okay, that way it's a risk-free trade. If you want to just take out your commission, okay, move it to 1 to 2 pips in, depending on where you got, and then leave it as risk-free. Okay, leave it as risk-free. So GU is still falling. Let's go check out oil. I think oil, someone said oil started to break. Okay, you can see it held that trend. Now she's starting to break down from 91.89. All right, yep, 8:20, guys. Got about 10 minutes left. Got about 10 minutes left. Okay. Let's watch and see if oil is going to come back down and tap this previous low right over here at around 91.69. She's starting to fall. Okay, so let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, guys, so you can see here, remember we talked about resistance, engulfing candlestick, sideways trading, and now you have your continuation. All right, see if it's going to come back down to this previous candle right there, which was acting as resistance over here. Okay, so we're going to see if it's going to break and then start the overall downtrend. Yeah, guys, Canadian news is also coming. All right, just letting you guys know, we don't really talk about Canadian news much, but you can see that 2 Canadian red folders right here. Okay, so guys, 8:21. We're gonna make a decision what we want to trade. So members, I'm gonna send a poll to the group. All right. Okay, guys, I just did 4 options there. Okay. Fibonacci's, yeah, if you know how to use Fibonacci's, use fibs. Okay, it's a very good tool to use, honestly. It's just like support and resistance. Okay, sorry guys, just checking out one thing here. And if you guys understand how to use the swing highs and the swing lows based on higher time frames leading into scalp, it'll be very deadly for you guys. It'll be very deadly, okay, which means very good. Okay, you can see that GU, guys, heavy break. All right, this was the short down here. Okay, that's why I said if it started to break there, and you can see, guys, this was the trade. All right, pre NFP, that was the sell. All right, and this was the buy opportunity up here. The buy was going to hold support and start to walk back and push them up in the overall trend, which leading to the continuation. But we had 3 confirmations, guys. 3 confirmations. Here, let me explain. We had a 5-minute uptrend. It broke the 5-minute uptrend. It broke the 9 EMA, and it broke the 50 line in the RSI. 3 confirmations that this trend is looking very bearish on the short time frame. Okay, so you can see if you guys held GU from anywhere around here to here, okay, it's around 17 pips. where it ran to was about 22. The target was about 23. The target was only 355.02. Okay, 355.02. That was the target. All right, but you can see once it started to break the structure based on the momentum, she's looking good. Okay. Okay, so let's just check out what we're going to do here. Okay, I see what everyone wants. All right, guys. So GU. At 824. Okay, got about 24 seconds here. Okay, so 825. All right, guys, we're going to get ready for Nasdaq. All right. So remember I told you guys Nasdaq broke that trend. Okay. Did mention some support formation around here. All right, so this could be an inverse head and shoulder on NAS. This actually happened to US 30, I think, this week sometime. Okay, I forget when it was. It was a big breakout, guys. It was inverse head and shoulder pattern that led to the continuation. So this could be forming right here. Okay, for the continuation. All right, so it pumps and starts to rise. Okay, I am going to set up gold as well. Okay, I'm going to set it up just because there's a lot of people liking gold still, even though I personally haven't traded it except for this morning, which an admin sent a trade idea to the group. Okay, I'm still holding that, looking all right. Okay, so let's watch. We're going to go set up gold. Okay, guys, so that was just the overall moves right here. What I'm looking to get rid of now is that, this, and this. Okay. Just one sec, guys. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yes, Capital Com for NAS, not Capital Com, sorry guys, Global Prime for NAS, and then this is Gold Saxo. Okay, so we have one more area up there, so I wanted to see. That's resistance on gold on the 15-minute. All right. So personally, guys, like, not entirely sure on gold just yet. Okay, so it's 827. You can see that if we have a nice little breakout up here, this thing's going to pop. All right. If we have a breakdown below here, she's going to start to drop. So we can watch based on structure here for both areas. All right, so it's 1816. I want to put it at more of a psychological number. There we go, guys. If gold wants to continue in a buy, 1816 looks pretty good in terms of a continuation. Even 1815. Let's see. That's going to create a higher high. All right. Okay, that's for a buy. It's 828. Okay. So if we have a buy above this area right here, it's going to skyrocket based on 1815. All right. So let's watch and see if gold goes bearish, guys. Structure right here. 1810. She's going to go bearish. Okay, both directions, guys. We're going to watch Nasdaq. All right, I'm just showing you guys key areas of gold. And then we're going to just head over now. Okay, about a minute left. News is coming up, guys. So a break above here is bullish, 1815. All right, and then 1810. So let's watch Nasdaq. All right, so for the first candle, guys, you might not want to be trading it. Okay, so you can see we're coming to resistance here. Nasdaq wants to break down. The overall structural break that I'm looking for is down here. All right, leading to making the lower low, and that's at 14. Okay, here we go. Okay, let the first candle play out, guys. Let the first candle play out, all right? Okay, you can see resistance here. If price starts to drop, you can see 14,491. It's got to break this structure right here to continue. Wait for the first candle to close, guys, because this thing can pump down and then pump right back up. All right, let's go check out GU. Nice continuation, guys. Beautiful sell, continuation on GU. Okay, so let's see if gold pumped here. Gold sold off, okay? Massive sell-off on gold. Now it's starting to retrace. Okay, guys, I was in that gold sell from this morning. Okay, I got 2.5 sells here. All right, so I was in from 1811 area, right around here. Okay, held a continuation. Smaller lots. All right, continue to break down. Now smashed 1805. Okay, so followed this pathway right here. Did not even shoot up. So the sell continuation was right down here. Okay, and you can see it shot down. All right. This is on the first candle though. Okay, I already secured. I exited hard, guys. I exited. I don't care if this thing is gonna drop another 400 pips. I'm good. Okay, I had a good day before here too in the morning. See, it's dumping. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq. Nasdaq had its starts, the continuation. Everything seems to be dumping, guys. So short on NAS. You can see that's the target to continue to make the lower low. All right. But if you didn't get anything, guys, like I said, just wait on the first candle. Just showing you guys NFP. You can see the massive movement on Nasdaq. You can see GU. Okay, look at GU's dump. All right, GU had a continuation sell, tapping overall demand. Okay. You can see that gold now, I believe, is still dumping. Look at gold. Okay. Huge dump. All right, haven't even looked at US 30 yet, guys. We'll get that, but you can see NFP, massive erratic movements, guys, massive erratic movements. So if you missed it, you're asking what is the what to do next. Okay, what to do next. Watch how this next candle opens here in about a minute and 38. About a minute and 38. Okay. Perfect setup on a sell. Okay, let's go check out NAS. Okay, nice continuations. Okay, we didn't even look at oil, guys, to continue. We're focused on Nasdaq. All right, guys, if you're in any of this, secure some. If you're in gold, secure, leave a runner. All right, do not let this thing open up and retrace back. Okay, do not let it open up and retrace back. US 30 is tanking too. Yep, very similar to NAS. Okay, there's the US 30 tank. If it breaks here, it's going to continue. All right, GU is still continuing, guys. Look at GBP. Huge sell-off. All started from, remember I told you guys, the 50 line break, the moving average break, the overall 5-minute uptrend break, and finally your fourth confirmation is your support break level here, which was acting as the previous low. All right, so this thing is tanking, guys. This thing is just bye-bye. Like there's nothing on GU. Like it's fallen. This is a falling knife right now. You don't want to catch it, just leave it. It's about 55 pips, guys. Do not think this thing's going to pump right back up. You might get a dead cat bounce for the continuation. There's a lot of selling pressure here, guys. There's a lot of selling pressure here. If this thing starts to break, okay, we're coming right back down to the bottom of the demand. Okay, but you can see it's starting to get into this area structure. Guys, if Fusion's freezing, just don't be trading right now, okay? Don't worry about trading right now. Wait until the overall news is starting to finish. All right, this thing is starting to definitely sell off continuation. 34992. Okay. Which is this target right here. Okay, let's see where we are on the RSI. See, we're dipping down hard. Okay, so let's watch and see on Gbp Usd. Yeah, Fusion. You guys are Fusion. Yeah, don't. I think it's because so many people are trading it right now. There's so much volume. Just play it out. Be patient. Okay. Look at gold. Okay, double top here. Okay, made a high to around almost 1815. Was rejected. All right, we had the 1815 breakout. That was the only way that anything was buying on gold. You can see below 1810, 1811. Okay, you now have your continuation sell. All right. How many pips is that candle, guys? Just showing you on gold. That's a 117 pip candle, $11 move, and 76 around 750, 1175. All right. Let's check with the DXY really quick. Look at the DXY, guys. Look at the DXY. Huge push. All right. Huge push. Extended double bottom, bottom, bottom. You can see that price starting to make a low. Price is parallel right here, a little bit of divergence. That's why you're getting your overall push, neckline area, and then you pump. All right. So the negative numbers on NFP, this is why next stop. Okay, you can see unemployment claims were negative, unemployment rate. NFP was positive. Okay, so this is the first time that we've had positive since the last two. All right. Okay, so let's go check out GU. GU starting to get a little bit of support, guys. A little bit of support here. We're going to see how far this maybe make a bounce to. Guys, if you are in on this sell continuation, all right, make sure you're exiting at 35241. If this starts to rise up here, it can start to walk back up, at least challenging the moving average. All right. So just let it do its thing, guys. Let it do its thing. Gold, I still believe, is tanking. Okay. Watch. Exit your sells now, guys, on GU. GU might be able to rise. Okay. So we check out gold. Just waiting for these couple candles till news, guys. Check out gold, a little bit of indecision here. Okay. We can actually come back down. We'll see if gold is still going to sell, guys. Okay. Let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is finding some support here, guys. All right, just watch and see though. This could be a dead cat bounce. All right. What that means is they sell, bait the buyers in, okay, then they tank it back down. So just be very patient on Nasdaq. Okay, let's just check out oil really quick. We haven't checked oil. This is why I didn't really want to trade oil for the news. So we had a high volume in terms of like people wanting oil, but for some reason, the last NFP, I think someone asked me to check oil and it didn't have any movement. All right, that's why I didn't really want to continue with it. All right, all the indices and gold were probably better to trade based on this, so that's why I ended up focusing on that. All right, Nasdaq has some divergence. Yep. Okay, that's why you're getting a little bit of walk. Okay, you can see price is starting to rise. Okay, price is starting to fall here, but just wait. It could be a dead cat bounce, like I'm telling you, which means they could push price down. We just have to be very, very patient right now. Okay, very patient. Guys, so if you guys see what I mean, that's a possible dead cat bounce right there. Okay, that's why I said wait, guys, just have some patience here. No point in rushing. All right. If you guys can't place trades on anything, it's because there's so much volume going through the market right now. All right. That everyone is buying and selling. Okay, everyone, big institutions, a lot of liquidities are being pumped into the market right now, which is why overall, you know what I mean, some of your MT4s might be freezing. Okay, generally we look for divergence, absolutely, and you guys can see that price is rising, okay, in terms of relative strength, but in terms of price action, it's actually declining. All right, so but again, NFP it's a very volume, it's a very big day. It's a lot of liquidity being pumped in the market. So you generally want to trade with the trends, guys. You generally want to trade with the trend. Okay, like for real. You can see everything has kind of sold off. Okay, NAS sold off, GU sold off. Okay, gold sold off. You can see what I'm telling you on gold. Do not be buying, guys. It's a very trendy time. What I mean is there's so much liquidity being pumped right into the market at the general direction. You want to trade with the trend. Okay. But guys, this is a 100 pip candle right here. Okay, 100 pips. All right. If you guys understand that sell, I was in sells at 1811. I did what you shouldn't do. Okay, I held through news and I had my stop loss ready. All right, so I had my stop loss at 1814, okay, on one and 1815 for the other. I collected this initial bounce right here. I did two 2.5s, not standards, but 0.25, sorry. All right, and I got about 100, 150 on each. I'm okay with that, guys. All right, so did anyone, I'm gonna unmute, guys. Did anyone take GU? Did anyone take gold? Did anyone take Nasdaq? I muted the mics. We're not going to have crazy conversations, but did anyone end up getting in these guys? Good, 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 good. Nice, nice, good guys, good. Did anyone hold? Is anyone holding Nasdaq still? Okay, good, 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 guys. See, that was the dead cat bounce. Still a little runner, Scott. Nice. Okay, I'm sure you made your pips in the morning, London lad. Good. Is anyone still in the GU cells, guys? Anyone still in GU cell? I got Quentin in there. Got a few people got out. Okay, good, good. Took 114. Good, guys, good. So guys, this is, if this continues on GU, okay, this is your dead cat bounce. Heavy sell volume pressure, okay? The buyer's trying to take it in, right? And then you have to be very quick, and then you have your overall continuation. If this thing starts to break these low candles right here, okay, you're going to start to see this thing drop, tapping 34992. All right. Okay, so trader, nasty Nas, 80 plus 120 on account. Good, good, good. 20 pips on Nas, in and out. Beautiful, guys. Okay, they're all check this out. Same thing. This is very similar to GU. Sell pressure, push, and then you have your retracement here. Okay, you can see how now they're forming. Let me just erase that bad boy. See how they're forming. Nice little opportunity there. Okay, they've all closed simultaneously at the same level of price. That is roughly 14,408, 14,409. Okay, so let's watch and see if we're going to break through that short-term demand. You can see the selling pressure is heavy, or if they're going to get a little bit more volume based and start to rise. But I still think this is selling, guys. I still personally think this is selling. Told you about gold. Still dumping, guys. It's getting some support right around here. Okay. Yep, barcode on US 30, guys. That's the initial move. Okay, a lot of times you get your initial moves and then you're kind of watching and waiting for the next continuation. All right. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay, let's watch and see, guys. Gold starts to break above here. Making it right now. Gold starts to break above here, guys. I might look for a small little opportunity. Wait and see what's going to happen. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I haven't entered in just yet. I need to see some more volume base, okay? Because this is the first bullish candle based on the price, okay? So I'm not entering in yet. I'm just watching, waiting. I need to see if we get a little bit of continuation. My finger is on the trigger right now, okay? So I just want to see the hourly, how this candle looks. That's deadly, guys. That's deadly. You can see the overall support that we're forming right there, okay? That's on the hour. Let's go to the 15. Okay, you can see it's starting to rise a little bit. The wick has opened up above this previous wick, okay? So just patient here. Slowly watching now on the 5, okay? Yeah. So if it doesn't make any moves above 1800, guys, and the only reason why I'm looking around this area, so it's psychological 1800, all right? If they want to continue to drop gold, let it go from 1796 for the continuation, all right? Here. What do you mean by deadly on that candlestick? Quinn, it just means it's going to have a deadly move. Okay, so it's going to have a nice impactful move. Okay, so still just watching here. I'm waiting for this candle to close, guys. There's 30 seconds left. I want to see how this candle is going to close, and your next one's going to open. All right. It's starting to get a little. Okay, so now we have under 10 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see how this is going to close. This is the candle that I'm watching right now, guys. It does. Okay, so you can see now that the volume bottom wick, okay, hasn't coming. So I'm just maybe going to erase this. This is why I wanted to see this candle close. You can see how it got the big wick. Okay, now she's going to continue in the sell. All right, this is what I'm watching right here. Okay, let's just be patient. It's still looking very bearish, guys. Do I think the big boys tanked gold indices to buy it cheap? They could have, right? The US dollar is rising, guys, so generally when that happens, you start to see these things start to tank. Okay, so there's no continuation yet. This is probably your first dead cat bounce. That's why I waited, guys. The reason why I didn't do anything, members, if I was doing this, you would have had this in your text right now. All right, I needed to see the first bullish candle. Okay, the first buyers coming into the market. I want to see their volume. Okay, you can see that with the heavy sell pressure, if there's a lot of buyers here, they're going to start to push it back up, at least the moving average. All right, if now there's not a lot of buyers here, this is the head fake. This is maybe, you know what I mean, they're now buying a little bit and then pulling the rug. This is when you're going to get your overall continuation trend to the downside. All right, so that's why, like I said, just be patient right now. There's no rush. There's no need to rush. Okay, you can see a little bit of an uptrend here. Just have to watch. All right, Mohammed Nakail, I wouldn't be buying now. We got to watch the candle price. All right. Okay, so my MT5 got stuck and I changed the bars to 5,000. Doesn't let me stick the news. Let me help. ZSS, if you're in the group, just email your broker, okay, guys? That's the key thing. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, so watch. Let's go check out GU, guys. GU is roughly doing the same, okay? I'm going to watch and see what's going to happen based on GU. Okay, so we're going to watch. Same with gold, guys. If GU starts to rise above that moving average, okay, this is going to be an opportunity for me. And remember, this is 5-minute, guys. This is a lot different from 15-minute hourly candles, okay? This is 5-minute trading, All right, so although we have massive pullbacks, GU's been selling for quite some time. So the GU price right now, it's at a low. Okay, it's at 35050. Okay, that's what the low they made. So let's watch and see how they're going to continue this market. Is it going to be bearish or bullish? Okay, if they continue the bear trend, this is just overall noise. Okay, this is your noise. Okay, you can see they're starting to flip bearish. All right, we have overall, there it is right there. See how they're testing it? This is our last leg right here. Okay, this is demand. If price starts to break here, guys, this thing is starting to continue. Just sell. Okay, so let's watch and see on GU. You can see that NAS started to go. There we go, guys. Okay, so see how it had the support, breaking support. Now it's making a continuation. All right, it's making a continuation. So remember I talked about a dead cat bounce here. Tried to push, rejection, breaking support, continuation. They try to bait you in, guys. Just getting reset up there. One-minute candles are more exciting for me too. Honestly, if you guys have a question, 1 minute candles are way more exciting for me too. Okay, NAS, you can still see it's dumping. Okay, guys, there's about 850 people on here, 200 likes. All right. If you guys can get me 300 likes, like I said, that's not too much. I'll do US 30 leading into market open. That's kind of like what I always ask. All right. So, okay. Let's check out at gold for 2 seconds here. Okay, guys, so I see how gold is getting a little bit of a downtrend. Okay, they're starting to break. They broke through. All right, they switched this candle right here. It had an uptrend right here forming. Okay, it had this. It was above this wick. All right, but now you can see that it's starting to form the bearish momentum. Okay, so that's why I said I wanted to watch these candles right here based on gold. We have a nice little downtrend forming. We got to break out of here if price of gold is going to rise. All right, if not, she's just going to sell. Continuation, potentially back down to 1790. That's a big move, but it might not happen right now. It might happen over a period of time. All right, do see this. You can see that the price is starting to come into a little bit of a wedge here. All right, let's watch and see. Okay, see how it's getting pushed down, starting to follow this path right here. So this is why you're patient, guys. This is why you're patient, especially on gold, on pretty much anything. Because if we had anything set up and we bought right here, I told you guys not to buy. Just leave it alone. Watch, this is the falling knife. If you bought and just held, right, you can see you're starting to go into drawdown. Okay, you could have bought this candle, but it's still very risky. Now is the time we're just going to watch. Okay, this is a nice support for me. You can see all the bottom wicks, but you watch price. Okay, you watch price. You don't need to get freaked out right now. Okay, if you're using crazy lot sizes, that's what's going to freak you out. So if price of gold is going to continue, like I said, dropping, we have it coming down here. All right. Okay, so let's go on Nasdaq. So see, guys, so I was mentioning to you, don't get dipped in. Okay, selling pressure, buyers took it up only so much. All right, now you can see it's retracing. Okay, dead cat bounce. Okay, 858, guys. So let's watch and see how the new hourly candle is going to open. All right. can see Nasdaq is still selling. $371, guys. Wow. Got 905 people here. I got about 300 on my Zoom. Okay, guys, like this is huge. So I just want to say thanks for everyone to join. If you missed coming in on here, okay, we watched Nasdaq. All right, we had a buy above this area right here. It didn't fruition. Okay, you can see we drew the supply area right here. Nice resistance. As soon as NFP opened, this thing tanked. Okay, now you can see we were right around here. People were asking about buying. I said, guys, just wait for the dead cat bounce. You can see if you didn't wait and you sold the dip, you're starting to run. Okay, and you can see it slowly starting to fade. To the 5-minute on the left. Gold is dumping again. Guys, this is like, if you guys didn't trade today, okay, I did 2 gold sells. That's all I've done so far today. 2 gold sells. All right, that's it. If you guys weren't trading today and you're just watching, this right here will show you a really important factor to never trade against the trend. Okay, never trade against the trend. Selling, heavy selling pressure here, guys, leading to the short-term pullback and then the overall continuation. All right, so just remember, guys, it's very important to trade with the trend. Okay, trade with the trend. So let's check out now GU. Haven't checked it out. Okay, so GU now, guys. Moving this down here. And now you're going to be like, okay, Dave, well, you just said trade with the trend, but you're setting up a buy. I am. Okay. If this doesn't trigger right now, guys, I need you to see this moving average. Okay. This moving average is my key point. If it starts to rise above this moving average, okay, if it starts to rise above the moving average, then I'll look for my opportunities. If not, and it still stays in this heavy sell pressure right here, okay, you can see it starting to getting a little bit of a downtrend based on this top wick, flat top. This is a continuation. Okay, so that's why I'm not hammering anything yet. I see an opportunity, we got to spot it. Now we need to watch. All right, oil's dumping. Let's check out now. There you go, guys. There's your oil dump. Okay, oil is really erratic. Oil's gold today. Okay, for real, gold is better than oil. You can see the erratic movements on oil right now. I think it's better if we just leave oil alone. Okay, you can see compared to the moves. There you go. Okay, so nothing was there. I'll leave that. And the overall continuation is still falling, guys. Still falling below here. All right. Red arrow is selling. Okay. So similar to what we're looking on GU. Okay. Down below here we had our arrow, sell pressure. Okay. You can see continuation. We have a little bit of a wedge forming here. Okay, downtrend. A lot of times at this demand area right here, price will make maybe a retracement. Okay, not too much of a retracement. Okay, but on general news, on general trading, this could retrace. But because of the sell pressure, guys, there's so much volume being pumped in. That's why you're getting overall sell continuations. Okay. Rob Mack, I love NAS, 200 more, thanks. UTP at 2%. Beautiful, man. Guys, okay, so Cameron, once you learn how to trade gold, it's the only pair you need. Yeah, I agree. You gotta marry a pair. You gotta marry a commodity, marry an indice. Once you learn how it trades, it becomes more apparent to you. Okay, we trade a few things here. Okay, we trade one indice, one pair, and then usually one commodity. All right. So guys, it's 9:03. Okay, it's 9:03. All right. We have about 900 people on the call. So it's looking pretty good, about 400 likes. If you guys could get me to like 500 likes, like I know that's a lot to ask, but you know what I mean? It's NFP. It's Friday. Maybe if people are feeling love on Friday, they want to pass it along, you know. Why don't we trade to you? I like GBP USD a little bit better, and so do our members. Okay. So, okay, guys. So let's check out GU here. Massive sell pressure forming. Okay, leading into potential buy on GU. The 500 is not a lot. Dave likes coming your way. You know that we're here every damn day. Okay, guys who are just signing on, there's like, because NFP generally the stats usually jump. People on their streams, they come over, right? Um, Guys, we scalp on the 5 minutes. Okay, it can be volatile, all right, but if you like that kind of movement, if you like in and outs 10, 20, 30, 40 pips, you can see, guys, we are in the GU from up here. Okay, so if you guys were on the call with us, that's about 37, 40 pips. All right, now I didn't have this green box in here, so I'm not going to say like this was set up. The arrows were set up. Okay, so the arrows are indicating when price breaks this structure, that's when you can look to sell. All right, so just check it out, guys. Maybe watch the stream again. I know I only get like maybe one chance to talk to you guys. Maybe you'll look at me and like, this guy's a weirdo, who knows? Or maybe you're like, okay, this is kind of cool. But if you guys like scalping on the 5 minutes, we stream live every single day. Okay, every single day. You want to check out oil, guys? Damien? I don't. So D, like, you're my man. Okay, you taught me about oil, bro. Honestly, Damien, I would never really trade oil much until you came into my life, and same with Ron. But right now, you got to see, this is like gold usually, so we got to stay away from this right now. Okay, we got to stay away. So I'm not going to be looking too much at oil. All right. Let's watch GU. Okay. Let's watch Nasdaq. The likes are definitely there. We're watching gold as well. All right. You can see that gold is still continuing to drop. All right, it's finding a little bit of a bounce now. So guys, if you're in on your gold, okay, please see that there's a long wick. That indicates that there's a lot of buyers around this area. Okay, we made a serious move on gold. All right, but if we're going to continue, guys, and this is going to maybe flip bullish, all right, this area right here is the area that I'm looking for a continuation. Okay, roughly around 1800, but and the reason why is because it's breaking above this 9 moving average. Okay, so if you guys are trading on your own, okay, this chart is Wanda. Okay, I said it was Saxo before, but it's the Wanda. That's totally my bad. I usually don't trade anything else but Saxo, but you can see now it's starting to rise. So on that sell, start to dip. Okay. Guys, I want to give a shout out to my man Paul too. Paul's I think he trades a $600,000 in prop firm. Okay, he really helps out with our members. Honest, really good guy. You know what I mean? He helps people, try to keep them in check when they're having a bad trade or whatever it may be. So I want to give a shout out to Paul Wall too. All right, my man. Thank you, brother. Okay, so let's check out GU here. You can see the gold is starting to rise. Let's see what's happening with GU. My man. Rob Mack, Davey, surround yourself with good people, man. They flock to you. Well, we want to continue that, guys. That's the most important thing. Okay. Okay, I want to see on GU right now. I want to see if we're going to break above that 200, that 9 moving average. Okay. So guys, you're gonna have to give me 2 seconds here, okay? Like, I've drank in, I was nervous today. I drank 2 cups of coffee and they're about 750 milliliters each. I need to have 2 seconds. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to do a top-down analysis on US 30. Okay, I'm going to leave GBP USD here. All right, then we're going to trade Nasdaq and US 30, and then pretty much call it a day for trading for this week. Okay, so 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. Please don't bounce out. Market open is generally pretty good with us, so if you guys are still new, just checking out for the first time, maybe give me a shot and see how it goes. All right, but give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so you can see GU is starting to break. All right, let's watch and see. Okay, guys, so 9/11. All right, we're gonna head over. We're gonna do US 30. Okay, GU starting to rise. Let's see gold real quick. Gold is coming the same. All right. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq is looking bullish too, guys. So they flipped the script at around 9. Okay. So take your profits on Nasdaq, guys. This thing dumped. Okay. Thing dumped. We're gonna hold and watch and see what's gonna happen here. All right. So we're gonna head over to US 30. Okay. We have about, this is on global prime. Okay. So we're gonna go top-down analysis on the dirty. All right. So nice key supply area right around here. Bounce that down a little bit. Okay, nice demand area right around down here. Okay. We're going to work within here. Last area I'm going to gather below. Okay. 1 second. Perfect. Get some resistance there, which is NFP. Okay. Got that candle right there. And we're going to see if we're going to get a possible pump. Okay, guys, you got to watch and see. Down to the 4-hour now. Okay. Okay, members, I just sent out another quick text in there. Okay, some resistance support forming, looking good. 4-hour. All right, dropping now down to the 1-hour here. All right. Guys, I think gold is having a nice little push. Okay, so we'll go over and check that in 2 seconds here. 2 seconds, guys. All right, that's US 30. Told you guys, short-term retracement. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna go to gold. My gold is running right now. Oh, gold! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Bump it, bump it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. See, that's a bearish wedge here for the reversal, guys. I'm up about 200 bucks on that. Okay, I'm still in my GU buy. I'm off about, yeah, okay, so I'm going to secure this gold trade, guys. I got to do some other charting here. All right, I'm still holding GU now. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen on gold. So it's back to US 30, guys. This is gold. Secure at will, guys. Secure at will. I don't want to see gold dump down again. If it does, gold is shite. Okay, now we go to the 30-minute. He is doing all this while making up for everyone on YouTube. You guys have no idea how hard this is, how much stress. Dave, no message to members. Make sure sent to everyone. M. Newman, if the members are not in the Zoom, they don't get it. That's their benefits of being on Zoom. Okay, so let's watch and see US 30 here. Nice little opportunity. Okay, so this is 9:16. We still got a little bit of time here. Okay, 9:16. All right. Just passed my MFF with that trade. Thanks, Dave. No worries. Okay, you can see now it's retracing a little bit. Guys, don't message personally, okay? I'm doing 15 things at once. Just ask questions in the chat, and we'll go from there. So, Brendan, where are you at? Brendan Davis. 1 sec here, bro. Brendan, unmute yourselves, man. Brendan?
Yes.
There he is, man. Did you just pass your challenge?
Yes, I did.
Nice. What?
Started this challenge last week. It's been up and down a bit.
Yeah.
And just in that last trade idea there, I totally agreed with you.
Yeah.
For it. I only put in one lot, but
Yeah.
nice.
Nice. Did you get, which one? Did you take GU or did you take the gold buy right here?
I took the gold that you put in the
Nice.
Zoom.
Yeah. I literally hammered it out, guys. I was in down here. I was watching it. And then as soon as it started to rise, guys, I said smash a buy. And you can see then that's why I think where Brendan probably got his buy. But you can see that right around here, that's where the buyers were accumulating. Okay, the sell was a dip down, maybe a head fake, and then you have your continuation. Brendan, so what challenge did you do, man? Are you on like the 10K, 100K, 50K?
Went on the 20k.
Oh, nice, bro. That's sweet. That's sweet. So what size of lots are you using?
If I'm trading on my own, I normally trade about a half a lot.
Yes.
When I'm trading along with you, I probably double that up.
Okay.
I like trading that market open.
Yeah, makes sense.
Seems to be the thing when we're on.
Yeah, absolutely, man. It makes it a little easier to definitely catch some bigger moves. But I like how you're trading, man. You won your own smaller lot size because you can manage it and you're learning still. So that's huge, man. I just want to say, get you on here, bro. Congratulations. One trade, passed your challenge. Like, super proud of you, man. So I hope everything goes really well. If you pass your challenge, can I be real with you? Maybe not trade market open just because I wouldn't want that to go down. You know what I mean? Just in case to make a bad trade. So for you, bro, you had a really good Friday. I would just sit out, watch, and maybe spam the YouTubers or spam all the spammers on there. Okay, good, man. Okay, good, man. Good. Okay, B. Thanks for signing on, man. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Dave.
No worries. Okay, guys. So you can see though that after that move, gold's starting to retrace here. Okay, so that's why I said look to secure profit in terms of pips. 1800. That thing went to 1803. Okay, that move right there. Boom, boom. Okay, it's about 20. It's a $2.06 move. Okay, $2.60. Sorry. So about 20 pips. All right. He can't pass. Absolutely, he can't pass. So gold is now retracing, guys. So, all right, 919. Okay, so leave gold alone. Okay, I'm gonna head over, watch. I'm quickly gonna check GU for a sec. GU slowly on a little bit of a spin top right here. All right, guys, I'm still in this. All right, if it does start to retrace back down and break here, I'll probably get out, but I'm still gonna hold this. So I'm gonna watch and see. All right. I can still see there's that nice little downtrend forming here. Okay, this is the only thing that I'm noticing. Okay, this is where we're coming to right now. All right. So let's watch. I'm currently 2 pips up. 2 pips. Okay. So let's check out Nasdaq now. 3-bar play on Nasdaq. All right, nice bullish momentum here. We weren't really watching too much. We kind of flipped through a bunch of others. We checked out gold. We checked out GU. Now we're gonna watch NAS. Okay, just make some updates. Perfect. No symbols. No idea what the hell's going on there. I still got a little bit of people following me, so that's not bad. I'm not the one-hit wonder. Alright. Okay, guys, so you can see nice 3-bar play here. Alright, after the nice sell-off. You can see that it dipped below, alright, and now you're starting to have your rise. There is some divergence here spotted. Okay, so this is at this point after the news, okay, you can see that the price, heavy downtrend. Alright, but the price in terms of strength, RSI, if you use RSI, you can see it's starting to make a little bit of an uptrend there. A little bit of hidden divergence, bearish divergence. So if you caught anything around here, you know what I mean. And this is the 9 a.m. Okay, so every hour, notice that things have started to flip switch. Okay, so nice little bullish push here, but we'll now watch leading into 9:30. All right, we'll now watch leading into 9:30. Let's go check out US 30 as well. US 30 was even better, guys. Not gonna lie to you. Okay. So this is a flag, okay, a bullish flag. So let me explain this. Okay, so we have a flagpole here, consolidation, and then you had a continuation. Okay, maybe for the breakout. So this is a bullish flag pattern. Members, we have these in our back end of our you know what I mean, our tutorials. So when you start to see that a flagpole with a pattern here, just trap this, and then you can have your nice little breakout. All right. Okay. Spot these all the time. Bearish flag patterns happen all the time too. So let's watch and see. But guys, this is what we have now for US 30. All right. You can see that there was divergence here. We went over this. Price is rising, price is falling. That's why you get your nice bullish flag for the continuation. Okay, but now we got to watch and see. It's 922. Where's price potentially the next going to be the big break? All right, where's going to be the next big potential break? I'm watching right up here. I got to switch this to baby blue. Okay, so I'm looking for a continuation, guys, if price wants to rise above here. All right, if price wants to rise, leading to the overall rough area. Okay, that's a breakout, and I had someone ask me before, are you only a breakout trader? Not all the time. Okay, we trade within zones. All right, that's why you do your consolidate, or not your consolidation, but your top down, slowly configuring into price, right? But when you get to price on 5 minutes, they're gonna have bigger moves than on the uptrend. Sorry, than on the within the consolidation. Okay, so now what we're looking for is potentially maybe a breakout if we're going to get a lot of volume, but also there can be a nice decrease in volume here and price could start to sell off. All right, and how you can see that is you can start looking at higher time frames. What are we looking at here? I see a W pattern, an extended W pattern here. You can see that RSI is rising. All right, price is starting to fall. That's why you're getting your double bottom and then your continuation. So if this breaks the neckline, guys, right here, all right, this is the neckline. It's going to make this a neutral area for you. It says consolidation, but I call it a neckline. All right, that's on the 15. So price can retrace, neckline. It made it low, okay, which led to the divergence. It popped back up. Now we can see if price is going to start to rise, maybe start to fill up. If it gets in this area and we see there's a lot of resistance starting to form because the overall sell pressure, okay, you can start to see that it might form an M pattern and then have its decrease in value and start to sell. Okay, so there's a couple things right now for US 30. Because US 30 we didn't do anything for, like I said, NFP, we're going to only be trading US 30 for market open. Okay, let's check out GU. Okay, GU's slowly rising here, guys. All right. Guys, while I got like a bunch of people on here, right now, if you go and search stocksnipertrading.com, okay, you're going to see an older website. The new website, guys, and the reason why I'm saying this, there's a lot of people I'm seeing in the YouTube chat. There's a lot of different languages here, okay? Our new website is going to be in 140 different languages, okay? Our new website is going to be over 140 different languages, all right? So for people who are looking for, you know, Italian, German, Zulu, Hebrew, Chinese, you know what I mean? It's all going to be able to be in that, all right? No bottom wick on the 5 minute. Let's watch and see US 30. Okay, let's go check out US 30 for a sec. Okay, so US 30 is breaking out, guys, as of right now. Generally, okay, this is your double bottom, all right, but it's starting to perform at 926. Okay, it's starting to perform at 926. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of like entering in before market open, all right, but again, like if this thing jumps up, like we might want to follow the trend. Okay, I'm still holding, like I said, my GU, all right. So we're just going to watch US 30 maybe in about 2 minutes, see how this thing's going to start to play out. All right, GU is looking pretty good. Why Guide TV? Why are you trading? It's NFP, not safe, big bro. Big bro, I like that, my man. NFP was right here, so it was already in the continuation. Okay, we're catching the bottom now for the retracement. All right, so we caught a few different plays here. Okay. You want to check out gold one more time? Let's see what happened to gold. Okay. Retraced. Here's your retest. Guys, this is your retest candlestick. So push, retest, confirmation, and now you can see we might get a start to rise. All right. So be patient. But I'm not done. I'm done with gold. No, Josh. I exited, bro. I exited on this candle. As soon as it rose here, I was out with 175. Okay, I'm done. I'm not looking at gold anymore. All right. GU looking like I'm still up 2 pips, so I'm still gonna hold this, and I'll update you based on what happens. All right. 927, guys. 927. New follower here. I love your name though. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. Oil. Okay, we'll just look at oil before we switch over to US 30. See what I mean about oil today as being gold is yesterday. Like gold, the reason why we didn't do gold the last 2 days. Okay, the reason why I didn't do gold last 2 days is because of this. It was too choppy, and now this is what pretty much gold was doing to us. Okay, so gold moved nice, oil moved brutal today. All right, not much we can do about it. Nasdaq is still going bullish, guys. Okay, so a break. Time is at 8:28. Break above here, guys. It needs to make a continuation. Okay, that's if it does there. All right, if it starts to sell here, how much time we got? A minute. Okay, good timing. All right, if she starts to sell, looking at an opportunity. for a lower low. Okay, so we have the price flags. I'm just going to move these down right here. 38 seconds, guys. We will be doing US 30. I'm just setting it up for Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, so leave US 30 alone. See what I mean? Don't enter in just yet. I'm only looking for a continuation sell, guys, below US 30 at a short down here. Okay, it's got to break through that bullish flag. All right, let it do its thing. Market open is under 10 seconds now. Let's watch. This is on the 5-minute, guys. You have 2 seconds till market open. Okay, so you see how they closed below here. Happened once, twice, third time. On the 15-minute, this is your double bottom breakout. All right, this is your double bottom breakout on US 30. Okay, so let's watch and see. If it gets rejected and starts to shoot back down, you're going to have your continuation. Okay, so not much movement here. See how it looks on the 15, guys. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so it retested. Okay, so the neckline is right here. It's holding at the neckline on the 15. Let's watch and see how this is going to turn out. Okay, let's go check out NAS. Okay, NAS push and then dumped. Okay, push and then dumped. See right at the entry here, just watch. This could be your neckline. Okay, for an inverse head and shoulder here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see if we're going to get a push. Okay. First TP, guys, on US 30s there. Okay. Second, roughly right around here. We need it to close above here, guys. Okay, if she doesn't close above, all right, you can start to see. Let's watch. A little bit of indecision. Okay, a little bit of indecision here. David, we'll check gold in a second, buddy. GU's still hovering around. Okay, so I'm going to just flip to GU for you guys. 1 second. Okay, so GU's still hovering around there. Okay, not too much is happening yet. It's slowly starting to rise. Okay, but you can still see it's holding some support. All right, let's watch and monitor this. Like I said, I have my stop loss set. I'm ready to go. All right, let's check out gold. 1 second. Okay, you can see now. Told you this is the reason why I was done on gold. Okay, this is the reason why I was done on gold. Okay, NAS rejection. Okay, so now this is the area where you can see if they're going to hold here, they're going to form a shoulder. If not, this thing's just going to start to tank. Okay, a lot of volume based in the movement right now, so let's watch and see if price is going to find some picking up in terms of support, or if this is just going to be a done time for Nasdaq. Okay, and then we'll check out US 30 here. Okay, so US 30 is tempting, guys. If you guys haven't entered in US 30 yet, just sit back and chill. Okay, it's a lot of indecision. Like, remember, the market just had a massive pump of liquidity in here, so you might not get your overall bigger moves than normal. Okay, bigger moves than normal. Okay, so the retrace. Let's watch and see. Okay. You want to see the 9? 9 is holding right there. Okay. Yeah, it's not looking like it might continue, guys. So if it breaks down below the 9 here, okay, that's when, like I said, I secured a little bit right in here. I had a nice little early entry. Okay, so I had a nice cushion. All right, went up nice. Now I secured, like I said, 50%. I got a little bit of a runner here. I am in a little bit of drawdown. Okay, but let's watch and see how this is going to play out. Okay, a little slow today, guys. Yeah, usually, generally, we probably get a nice little break. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we got. See if it's going to get a continuation. Okay, so indecision now. Not much volume being pumped in here, guys. Okay. Let's see gold for 1 second. Okay, so gold is starting to rise again. All right. This could be a double bottom here. Okay, if you're still in gold, guys, have your stop loss a little bit below here. Okay. Stop loss a little bit below here. It's going to be at this candle demand area. Okay. If it goes push, it's good. If it goes there, it's going to turn into an M pattern and then continue bearish. All right. So you got to remember, guys, we just had a lot of momentum being pumped in. Okay. So you might not get your overall normal moves that you're used to. All right. Okay. So GU, guys, like I said, as soon as it crosses below here, I'll look at exit. Until then, I'm just going to hold that position. Okay. Not a big lot size, so we'll watch and see. Check out oil. Okay, weren't really watching oil too much. So I don't want to flip through too much, guys. US 30, we're looking at GU. Those are the two we're focusing on right now. All right. Today I made a profit. Time to join Zoom. Crap to yourself, big time, man. Thank you, buddy. I think join Zoom. Crap to yourself. I mean that. Oil. Okay, now I have 3 people telling me oil. Usually that's a decent sign. There's your break, guys. There's your break on oil. Look at the continuation. Massive push. Massive push. Oil's breaking. This is the high. Right on here, 93. This thing is this is 2014, guys. This is 2014 right up here. Okay, 2014. If we pump up here, this thing can have a massive this will be an incredible rebound for oil. Okay, if it breaks the 9, guys, then you can look to exit. All right, for US 30, just to be on the safe side. All right, just to be on the safe side. And like I said, we're just opening up 9:30, 9:35, okay? 9:40, 9:45 would probably be the best time to, let the market open up, let it do its thing, catch the trends, okay? Catch the trends. We haven't really caught anything right now, all right? You can see it's very low volume, all right? Generally, maybe any other day we might get a little bit more, but right now it's very low volume, okay? Not much is happening here. You can see it's a lot of indecision. This is an indecision candle. This is turning into an indecision candle, so just it's post NFP, guys. There's not much you can do post NFP. All right, wavy. No, I did not enter oil, guys. Did NAS have their inverse head and shoulder pattern? Bump it, bump it. 2 US 30 buys. Members, that's why I said hold it. Hold it, hold it. Yeah, playful highlights, 100 to 1 leverage. I agree, guys. 500 to 1 can be great, but you got to know what you're doing, okay? So that already smashed TP1, guys. I secured one of my positions. I told you I had two. Secured one. All right, guys. So if you guys are in on this, there's not much volume, okay? There's not much volume here. So just remember that price, it's got to have its continuation with nice volume, all right? Let's check out Nasdaq. Guys, this is inverse head and shoulder here. Let's see if this is going to follow through, okay? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see if we can get a nice ignited candle here, holding at support for the continuation. All right, and let's check out quickly Gbp Usd. Yeah, buddy. Who's in GU? Who's in GU with me? Okay, who's in GU? Who's in gold? Guys, I'm unmuting this. I don't want to. I don't want to do this. I want people to hear you guys. Guys, who's in gold? Who's in GU? Who's in US 30?
I'm in gold.
Who's in what? Let's go. Beautiful.
I keep missing these US 30s, man. Like, I'm still so terrified.
Yeah.
Even though you say buys, I ain't ready for it yet. That shit's having me shook.
It's okay. Dude, honestly though, at least you know your threshold, okay? When you're overdoing your threshold, you're gonna get upset. You know what I mean? You're gonna stress and you're gonna exit trades when you should be holding, you know what I mean? So just keep doing what you're doing, my man. Honestly. If you
I catch a couple of them, like SPX or the Nasdaq, because they generally move the same.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I catch a little 10, $20.
Nice.
But I do want to catch those $400 moves.
You will. You will, man. You will. As long as if you're putting in the work, eventually it's just going to click to you and you're going to have that confidence. That's what it is. But gold buy looks pretty good. You know what I mean? Anywhere between 1800. I told you 1800 was a psychological number. Okay. It tapped 1805. So roughly, guys, you can do the math. You know what I mean? That's a good amount of pips. Okay. So don't get greedy, guys. Be happy with what it is. All right. And yeah, Ahmed, where did you get in, bro?
$17.99.
Oh, right here. Nice, 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 nice. So you're up about almost 50, 60 pips. Beautiful.
Yep.
Nice slice, man. That's beautiful, man. I like hearing that. Did anyone else take GU? Did anyone hold GU? I know it didn't have much of a huge push just yet, but it's starting to rise. It's starting to rise, guys. Okay, and then let's see, Nasdaq. Oh, there we go. Inverse head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder, nice. The neckline, it dipped down a bit more. Okay, head fake you out, and now it's pumping, guys. Pumping. Okay, so let's watch and see if we're going to get a continuation over to the higher time frame supply right up here. Okay, let's watch and see if we're going to get a pump. All right. A little slow here, sorry guys. US 30, I think, just tapped TP, so no buys. Guys, that's a 70-point move. Okay, let's take a look at this on the 15-minute. Remember, I told you about a double bottom, extended. All right. If you go back in the video and watch, okay, boom, boom, extended, divergent play. Now you have your continuation, and then you have your nice little potential pop there. Okay. So recognize some patterns, guys. Always check your 15 minutes when you're trading fives. Okay, you're gonna get a lot more confirmation that you're in the right trade. Okay, you're gonna get a lot more confirmation that you're in the right trade. No, I didn't take NAS, guys. I was just exiting my other US 30. Okay, so we're watching on NAS. You can see it slowly starting to rise. Okay, a little bit of wick now. Okay, so if you guys are in on anywhere from Nasdaq around here, guys, just see you're getting a little bit of wick. There is a lot of volume. This is engulfed all previous structure to the left. Okay, so just be aware that this thing can get a little bit of push down. All right, can get a little bit of push down. It's our job to watch how far. Okay, there you go, guys. You can see it's starting to rise now. There's gold. Okay, gold is still rising, guys. Gold is still rising. Okay, you have a wedge pattern. Overall continuation. All right, so gold is still making a nice little bounce. Just move that over here. Okay, and then we'll finally check GU. Okay, so GU is getting a little bit of retracement here. Okay, if it starts to tap and go below this 9 moving average, I'm just going to exit. All right, I'm just going to exit personally, but if you guys want to hold it, you can. Oh man. Okay, so there's Nasdaq again. So guys, this is why, like NFP. Okay, so if you missed NFP, you can see. Wait for the hourly candles. So NFP always happens at 8:30. Okay, NFP always happens at 8:30. So basically what we're looking to do now is, if you didn't catch any 8:30 moves, we're catching the reversal. Let it play out to the next hour. Okay, let it play out to the next hour. New hourly candles lead to potential reversals here, guys. Okay, for real. You can see 7 a.m. bullish engulfing candlestick on Nasdaq. You can see 8 a.m. we have a bearish engulfing candlestick on Nasdaq, which led to the sell. 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. led bearish. Okay, but then 9:05 opened up bullish. That's why I said wait for the candles. Now you can see, guys, Nasdaq is getting retraced a little bit. I did mention watch the top wicks. Okay, it's coming to the area of previous NFP that we had at 8:30, which is why you're getting that huge sell pressure here. All right, so just be aware that, like I said, there will be some top wicks when you're coming in this area. Don't be afraid to hold, secure some profits here. This could be a big maybe FU candle, which might lead to come back down and retest the 50 line. All right, so right now I'm watching this area like a hawk. As soon as it breaks above here, we're going to get a move in big either direction. Oh, sorry. Okay, if it breaks below the 50, she's going to start to sell. Okay, if it breaks above this box right here, it's going to start to continue to make a higher high based on this wick. All right. Oh, Enos, really? That's sick, man. Okay, and same with US 30, guys. Okay, we weren't watching too much US 30, but you can see it kind of retrace now. This is what I mean. We get the breakouts, guys. We're looking for the moves. Okay, secure at will. If this thing starts to reverse now, remember indices, they're very volatile. Okay, so Enos, I was 6% drawdown on my MFF challenge today, and with your US 30, you saved my account. Thank you, brother. No worries, man. Enos, for real, dude. I understand the amount of drawdown and the stress that could put it in, but at least you trusted yourself to kind of push through. And hopefully you took this US 30 trade, because you can see it's starting to retrace now. Okay, let's take a look on the 15-minute. Here's your retest, guys. Okay. Sorry, the yellow is, yes, 9 moving average. Okay, 9 moving average. Look at this. Here's the break. Here's the retest on the 15-minute, guys. This was that overall resistance breakout. You can see now that they're retesting this on the 15. Okay, guys, we can trade 15 minutes. It's not hard to do, right? It's not easy to do, obviously, but confirmation always can come from 15-minute candles. Okay, so check it out. Let's go to the 5 now. You can see now they're getting a little bit of wick and maybe a little bit of a push up. All right. Okay, one sec. Hi guys again. Ian Simpson. Ian, buddy, if you're still here, man, I just got your message. It says you're muted. So, this is on me. It's not you, dude. This is on me. Okay. So sometimes when I go to mute, it doesn't allow the proper unmute. So don't blame yourself, dude. I just got your message. So. Yeah, Ian, just we mute everyone, guys. In the Zoom, okay, guys. So CUS30 though, it had a nice little breakdown. Okay, that's why you take your pips and you dip. All right. So now you can see it's coming back and retesting this 9 moving average. If it breaks here, guys, then this thing is probably looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, but let it come into this area, let it dance, let it do its thing. This has been demand. Okay, that's been demand in previous structure. All right. Gold selling off. Okay, I think we're getting a little bit of a retracement now, guys. You can see that gold is gold's not really selling off. Gold is just, I don't trust anybody when they talk about gold. I gotta watch it. So you guys, what I was talking about YouTube in the morning, okay? Because New York, I'm doing like 3 different things at once. Okay, we mute our participants, and like I said, but we have a chat right here. So anyone has any questions, they put it in the chat. Generally get back to them, but a lot of the times we're not muting. Okay, when the new site is launched, I keep telling you guys this. Then we'll have some different things. You guys will see. It'll be a lot like other, a little bit like other streams. Pascal, yeah, we did. I told people when I was buying and selling, and the guys who were on the YouTube when they were talking, they were part of those trades. Okay. Charon, are you in here, buddy? Okay, so let's check out maybe GU, see where we're working with GU. Okay, I'm still holding, guys, until here. As soon as it dips down, I'm out. All right. See Nasdaq. Okay, so let me just watch here. If anyone is anyone still on gold? Is anyone still holding gold? Because this is an uptrend we have here. We got a break. You see how it's okay, Josh? You're still in there. Okay. Damien, my entry on GU is like roughly right around the same spot as the trade right here. Okay. So I'm at break even right now, dude. All right. So if it starts to break down, I'll take the loss, but I'm still going to hold. All right. So you can see now that gold, guys, is retracing back down. I need to see it come to the 9 and see what's going to happen on this uptrend. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen. 4 minutes left here. A little slow here, 40 seconds, guys. Let's check out US 30. Okay, so US 30 is dancing around here. Okay, you can see we have nice demand in this area. They tried to sell it off, okay, but it's picking up structure. Okay, it's picking up structure here. Definitely see a nice little uptrend here forming. Okay, so let's watch and see if price is going to hold, bounce on that wick. Second wick. All right, let's see if we're going to get a push or a pull. Okay, Nas, one sec. Okay, so Nas pushed up, guys. Okay, good, nice. Thanks for telling me. So Nas pushed up. Remember I told you the extension, as soon as they came here, is a little resistance. So now you can get your sell. Okay, I didn't take this. See how they slipped that 9 moving average right below it. All right, let's watch and see what's going to happen based on this. Okay. Okay, nice little downtrend forming. Okay. So this is our outlook on NAS, what happened. All right. This could be a retest too, guys. Like, I'm just being real with you. This could be the retest, okay? Because that was your shoulder. Okay, this was your secondary shoulder right here. So they had a shoulder here, shoulder, and then there's a second shoulder, obviously, head and shoulders. Okay. This pushed, and then they pushed it right back down. But you can see that they're holding it here. Just be iffy on these sells. Be iffy on these sells here, okay? I'm just telling you straight up, this could be your retest confirmation right here. Okay, if this holds here, guys, this is gonna, see what I mean? This is why I'm just very patient right now with this. Whatever we're in, whatever we're trading, the retest confirmations are what I'm looking for. Now we're turning into a bullish engulfing candlestick. See how there's a high wick right here? Okay, we're gonna see if Nasdaq maybe starts to fill that wick. All right. Guys, is my mic noisy? I literally have a fan right here. Sometimes I do sweat when I'm in these trades, and I want to have a nice cool breeze. So you guys hear anything from me? Does it sound like I have any problems with my breathing? Some people say they don't like me when I breathe, but that wouldn't be good. All good? Okay, cool. Dave getting moist. Oh my god. Nick, you speak my language, buddy. Moist is one of like the worst things to say. That's like one of the most commonly hated words, bro. That's hilarious, man. I love this group. I can't wait to get up at 2:30 in the morning with you guys. Oh, this is gonna be some fun. This will be some fun. Okay, so you see what I mean? It's a little bit indecision right now. Okay, we have 3 minutes until the new 10 o'clock. Okay, let's see what we have going on news. All right, 10 a.m. news rate. Nothing at 10. Okay, it's just Canadian news. All right. Yeah, don't breathe, don't blink, don't drink, don't eat. You're a slave to the pips. Okay, guys, so 10:30, it's 10 o'clock coming up. I'll probably stay till about 10:05. All right. What is at 2:30 a.m.? Guys, we do have a private session. So for all the people on here, we go like live 2 other times than this. Okay, we do London and we do Tokyo. All right. See what I mean about the retest here, guys? Dave, what would be a sign that NAS is going bearish? It needs to break and hold below this 9 moving average. Okay. It needs to break wavy. It needs to break below that 9 moving average. Okay. Yeah, no worries. But just remember, guys, whenever you have a bigger move, okay, they always try to get you on the impulse. Okay, the impulse was nice. Okay, this is kind of like an FU candle, but it's just what it's doing is it's showing you a direction that it can go. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder. Here's the break, but here's the retest. Okay, so let's take a look on the 15-minute. Look on the 15 minutes, guys. 4 steady bars. Okay, 4 steady bars right there on the 5. We have 1 minute, guys, to the new hour. What is FU candle, guys? Join the boot camp in late March and April, and we'll go over what the FU candle is. Okay. You guys don't even realize on YouTube how much we do. You guys have no idea, none. You guys don't understand how much we help you guys with. It's crazy, but again, that's part of it. Okay, so here's the push, guys. Okay, let's watch and see if we're gonna get a nice little hold here. Have a nice little trend formation. All right, let's watch and see based on this candle. Oh, sorry, not that one. I want this candle right here. That structure. Flooring for the boot camp, yeah. If you're a 3, 6, 12-month member, yes, it'll be free. Okay. Members who are on the monthly will give you a discounted rate, and that'll be all part of the new website. Okay. Aaron, are you on the call? Guys, here's the retest candle. I told you, there's the retest. Bump it, bump it. Is my man Aaron on the call? 10 o'clock, guys. 10 o'clock. I don't know. Aaron might not be on the call. Okay, gold is rising, guys. Gold is rising. Still holding that 5-minute trend. Okay. Where are you, bad boy? There we go, guys. Nice little uptrend forming. Guys, do not trade against the trend. Okay. I think my man Aaron, he's a funded trader. He's just texting me right now. He's going to get a withdrawal about 26K this month from MFF. It's about 34K with Canadian. My man Aaron from my hometown didn't know a stock from a stick, and now he's getting a potential withdrawal of 34K. When he sends me that, I'm going to post this on our social media for you to show you guys. Okay. All right, guys. So listen, 10 o'clock. Okay, it's Friday. I would love to stay and talk all day, but again, so one quick thing, guys. Okay, we're doing a giveaway. I'm announcing it later today. Okay, 25K giveaway. One free 3-month plan, and then we have a one-on-one session. All right. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Do what you got to do there. All right. 1 second. Guys, if you want to join, okay, and you guys are still like new to the channel and stuff like that, we do have a membership. We're switching over everything roughly the end of next week. Okay, we're going over to Discord, a lot cleaner, a lot more chat options. Okay, so if you join now, guys, like I said, you're gonna get grandfathered in. Okay, so guys, what we do is we do 4 Tokyo sessions per week, 2 our webinars, okay, and then 2 our live sessions. And then we do 5 Londons per week. All right, and then we do 5 New Yorks. Okay, all in our private Zoom. All right. We do have videos. The new site, every single video that we do will be automatically updated. So constant content. You guys are going to get 2 to 3 videos daily, as well as our webinars and extra content provided. So also, guys, we give around 2 to 3 trade ideas per day. All right. In the new website and what we got coming on here for the new stuff, it'll be a lot different, judging based on the Discord. All right. So it's not our main thing, but we do it just to keep things going. Okay. Also, guys, if you want to check out, like I said, we have an Instagram giveaway here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. This is our only Telegram, guys. This is our only Telegram here. Okay. So if you guys are getting scammed by other people asking to trade with your money, it's not us. Okay, it's complete other donkeys who are not doing it. All right. Is gold flying? Okay, we'll go quickly to gold. Bump it, bump it, bump it, guys. See, bump it. Okay, gold is starting to move now. Gold is starting to move. Okay, guys, this is our schedule here. All sessions in private Zoom. Okay. All right, Ibrahim, if you're still on the call, bro, can you drop the it in the live chat on the YouTube, the giveaway? Okay, and then guys, I'm on monthly. Can I switch to 12 months when the price will change? I have. Yeah. Florine, bro, send us a message, send us an email, okay? And then we'll hook you up with that, okay? Absolutely. Okay, guys, this is our 3, 6, 12-month plan. If you guys get any of these plans, you guys are included in our boot camp, okay, moving forward at the end of the March. Monthly members are not, okay? You can see there's a price difference, and it's well worth doing the 3-month and then joining with us quarterly, okay? Small investment for all the sessions that we do, plus the trades and all the boot camps and stuff like that. It's well worth it, okay? So make sure to check that out, okay? You guys want to do one-on-ones? We're booking now 2 to 3 weeks in advance. I keep saying that. It's now roughly 3. I'm doing a bunch of these. Ron, pretty much this whole day is based on this. Okay, so it's big, guys. All right, new site I'm really excited for, guys, but always make sure we pay it forward. Okay, well, we don't have to go live on YouTube, but we do, and it's because we want to pay it back for everybody. Okay, you can see that gold is pumping. All right, nice little buy opportunity here, and we're starting to rise. All right, so gold made a nice little pump, and we smashed TP, guys, which was the last area at 1810. So 1800 okay to 1809. If you guys got in that buy, did anyone hold that gold buy? That's about 93 pips. $9.37 move. All right. Ahmed, I know you did, bro. You were holding down here. You got the G move. I love it. All right. So guys, gold was a beast. All right. US 30 pumped and then dumped. You can see now it's consolidating right in that previous demand. Okay, so we caught that double bottom breakout on the 15. Very nice. GU still rising, guys. Check it out. That's why I didn't really say anything. I'm just watching patiently. GU still rising from entry till now. It's about 14 pips. All right. 14 pips. And we have finally Nasdaq. Nasdaq pretty much smashed that second TP, okay, or the first one. You can see right up here, right in the supply. Now you got to expect a little bit of sellers, guys. Okay, inverse head and shoulder with a retest, confirmation, continuation. That's Nasdaq right there. This is Technicals 101. Okay, so for all the people who say you can't scalp 5 minutes, you can. You just got to use smaller lot sizes and don't get greedy. That's it. All right. So for some reason, gold I think was one of the best plays of the day. Okay, we caught the sell down here leading into the bearish wedge. Okay, and then for the overall continuation pump following the 5-minute uptrend. All right, so guys, okay, so the invite, don't worry about that. All paying members, we have all your data. Okay, so don't worry, you'll get a mass email for you to join Discord. All right, all the people who are a little bit behind, there's not too much. Okay, you guys will not be included. You guys are probably going to be canceled, and then you know what I mean, you would have to rejoin if you guys are past due. Okay, so guys, but with that being said, I have a I'm really excited today. It was a nice move, nice moves. I hope everyone had a good session. I'm really excited for next week too, because now NFP happened. Now we can start to get some movements, guys. So if everyone had a good day, you know, put it in the chat before I leave. But we went for 2 hours and 30 minutes today. It's a long session. My man made 1,500. Guys, put in the chat here. Let me know what you guys made. Florine, bro, just send us a message, email us, and we'll get you hooked up 100%. Okay, 100%. So David, 1,500. I can't pronounce your name, but you made 7K. That's crazy. Okay, absolutely, guys. This thing is 3.1, 800. Loss not good. Okay, you need to recap, guys. CL, you need to recap. It's all straightforward right here, my man. Trust yourself and trust your gut. Okay, the trades are set up for you. The trades are definitely set up for you. Okay, 150 pips, Martin. Okay, you guys gotta watch. It's okay. YouTube now. Made $2. Perfect. Good, guys. Good, good, good. All right. Okay, guys. So we're gonna resume next week. Okay. If you guys are having some trouble with your entries, please read and watch the videos. We have literally videos that tell you how to enter trades. Literally how to enter a trade based on a top-down analysis. Okay, and yeah, Theman, I will probably look at Ethereum and Bitcoin this weekend. I'll probably have one of the other admins doing it too, so it'll be good. But members, if you're with us, watch the webinars. Just because you come on here and you guys want to make these trades and it looks good, but if you guys don't know how to trade, it's not going to go well for you. You're going to be buying at the top of the candles and it's going to reverse and you're going to exit, you know what I mean? So, but watch the videos, guys. We have honestly videos of how to enter trades with top-down analysis, retest candles, they're all there. put a little bit of time into work, and those L's that some of you guys took today, I guarantee you within a few weeks they'll be W's. All right, so guys, have a good day. Thank you so much for joining in. All right, if you didn't trade today, hopefully you got a nice little learning lesson. You can definitely see that NFP, you're going to get some pips. Okay, so guys, God bless. All right, hope everyone had a good day. I say it a million times. We'll see you next week, same time, same channel. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to enter our Instagram giveaway. All right, later, guys.